skincare routine for beginners. Welcome to my channel Glow Up Guide. Here are 20 easy skincare tips for beginners to help establish a healthy and effective skincare routine. Step 1. To know your skin type. Determine whether your skin is oily, dry, combination, sensitive, or normal to choose the right products. Step 2. Cleanser. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Avoid harsh soaps that can strip your skin of its natural oils. Step 3. Moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer according to your skin type because moisturizing is essential for our skin. It helps maintain your skin's hydration balance. Step 4. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from UV damage. Step 5. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Step 6. Remove makeup before bed. Always remove makeup before going to sleep to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. Step 7. Exfoliation. Exfoliate 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Avoid over-exfoliating. 8. Patch test of new products. Before using a new product, do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any adverse reactions. Step 9. Avoid touching your face. Touching your face can transfer dirt and bacteria, leading to breakouts. Step 10. Eat a balanced diet. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can improve your skin's health. Step 11. Use lukewarm water. Wash your face with lukewarm water instead of hot water to avoid stripping your skin's natural oils. Step 12. Be consistent. Stick to a skincare routine consistently to see the best results over time. Step 13. Don't pick at your skin. Picking or popping pimples can lead to scarring and further breakouts. Step 14. Get enough sleep. Aim for 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Step 15. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to skin problems like acne. Practice stress-reducing activities such as yoga or meditation. Step 16. Avoid harsh ingredients. Steer clear of products with harsh chemicals, fragrances, and alcohol that can irritate your skin. Step 17. Use a serum. Incorporate a serum that targets your specific skin concerns, such as hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. Step 18. Protect your skin barrier. Use products that strengthen your skin barrier, like those containing ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Step 19. Be patient. Skincare takes time. Don't expect immediate results. Give products at least a few weeks to work. Step 20. Consult a dermatologist. If you have persistent skin issues or concerns, seek advice from a dermatologist for personalized recommendations. These tips are perfect for beginners looking to establish a simple and effective skincare routine. If you enjoy my video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.